Welcome to our craft art, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every piece of wood is transformed into art. Here, we explore the beauty of handmade furniture, tables, TV stands, and decor crafted in unique designs that blend style, skill, and imagination. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a decor lover, or simply someone who appreciates the warmth of wood, this channel brings you closer to the magic behind every hand. Wooden furniture begins long before the first cut is made. It starts with inspiration. Each table or TV stand we design is born from observing modern trends, studying classic craftsmanship techniques, and understanding how wood can redefine the atmosphere of a space. We consider every detail: the texture, the tone, the grain, and the purpose. This is where creativity meets intention, turning simple wooden boards into functional art pieces that elevate any interior. To express a different mood or story. Some designs feature smooth, flowing curves that reflect softness and elegance, ideal for salons, reception areas, or minimalist homes. Other tables carry sharp, geometric patterns that speak to lovers of bold, contemporary decor. Whether the look is rustic farmhouse, modern luxury, or traditional carved artistry, they set the tone for the entire room. Floating wooden TV stands offer a sleek and clutter-free appearance, perfect for those who prefer clean, modern styles. On the other hand, grounded cabinet-style stands bring a sense of stability and character, often decorated with textured doors, metallic accents, or handcrafted patterns. Every fashion we create brings balance. Influences the style and feeling of each piece. Rich walnut provides depth and sophistication, making any room feel warmer and more luxurious. Lighter woods like ash and pine bring brightness and calmness, ideal for airy, modern spaces. Oak, known for its strength, offers durability paired with timeless charm. Meanwhile, reclaimed wood tells a story with every knot, crack, and mark, turning imperfections into authenticity and character. Behind every polished table or TV stand is a process layered with patience and discipline. It begins with sketching the design, selecting the right wood, and cutting each component with precise measurement. Crafting continues through shaping, jointing, and assembling, ensuring the structure is strong and stable. Then come the final touches, sanding until the surface is smooth, applying stains that highlight the grain, and sealing. But it's not just the craftsmanship that makes these pieces meaningful, it's the life they bring into a room. A handmade table becomes the centerpiece of conversations, meals, and memories. Families gather around it, clients admire it, and guests feel its warmth. A well-crafted TV stand does more than hold screens, it organizes, displays, and ties the room together. Each piece becomes part of someone's daily life, carrying the and designs. We want our viewers to see more than just furniture. We want you to feel the creative journey behind it. Each table and TV stand reflects countless hours of dedication, care, and innovation. From minimalist designs to richly carved masterpieces, our creations celebrate the timeless beauty of wood and the endless possibilities of craftsmanship. Through this channel, we hope to inspire makers for joining us on this creative journey. Our channel is dedicated to handcrafted wooden decor, where we share inspiration, design ideas, woodworking techniques, and the business side of building a brand around beautiful furniture. Whether you're looking to learn, create, or simply appreciate the art of woodcraft, we're here to bring you content that informs, inspires, and elevates your love for handmade design. Stay connected, subscribe, and let's continue shaping beauty, one wooden piece at a time.